guys, I'm back in the camper today. I've actually been back out here quite a lot working on this bathroom. The paint looked really good until I took the paint tape off, and I did not sand. I should have gotten sandpaper and sanded before I painted. I thought the liquid sandpaper would be enough, and it was not. You've got to scuff that, I guess it's vinyl. I don't know. The wood is not real wood, obviously. So you do have to scuff that up, because it's not porous, so the paint is not going to stick to it very well. So I'm going to sand the rest of that in the kitchen, but the kids' room and bathroom is already painted, so I will redo it once it starts peeling really bad. But once I took the paint tape off in the bathroom, pretty much all the paint under the paint tape came off with it, so I had to touch up some spots. It doesn't look great, it's not perfect, but at this point I'm not really worried about it being perfect. So I'll redo it later on when it starts peeling really bad. I'll peel it all off and redo it probably next season, but right now it'll just have to do. So everything's painted, and now I'm gonna be doing the flooring today. I got some peel and stick tiles from Hobby Lobby before all the quarantine started. So I got these for $12 for 10 tiles. They're black and white. They're really cute, and I'm really excited to try this. I've never done any kind of flooring ever, so I'm hoping this isn't too difficult. So wish me luck. I'm just gonna put them down right over the linoleum that's already there. I did spill some paint, so I'm definitely gonna have to redo the flooring in there. So yeah, we're gonna do that today, and I'm gonna bring you along. So these are the tiles I got. These are the Floor Pops Peel and Stick Vinyl Floor Tiles. No grout, no special tools needed. It should look like this when I'm finished. And there's 10 tiles in here, which is plenty for a small camper bathroom. I'll probably have some left over in case I need to fix any in the future. This is the style Comet. Each tile looks like that. Limited lifetime warranty. Okay, so the instructions are on the back. Quick and easy way to change the look of your home without the mess. Floor Pops install easily on most flat surfaces. Peel and stick. Water resistant, limited lifetime warranty, trimmable, no permanent adhesive, easy to clean. Tools needed: towel roller, tape measure, chalk line, carpenter square, utility knife. How many packages will I need? So this is how you measure how many you'll need. I certainly shouldn't need more than 10 in a small camper bathroom. So before installing, be sure the surface is clean, smooth, flat, and dry before applying. Area must be free of grease, dirt, wax, and other oils and materials. Do not apply on any cracked, uneven, or loose flooring. Don't apply over radiant, heated floors. For best results, do not apply where the temperature regularly falls below 55 degrees or over 85 degrees.
Hi.
So that could be a problem here in Georgia.
Hi. Floors.
Yeah. So here's the before. I did spill a lot of paint, but I really didn't put anything down because I knew I was going to be redoing the floors anyway, so I really didn't care a whole lot. Maybe I should have, but I don't. So this is going to be covered either way, so whatever. So there's not really good lighting in here, but this is the finished paint job. I need to hang some things back on the wall. I got to put the mirror back up. I still need to put the contact paper on the sink. It's like marble contact paper. And put the knobs back on. I spray painted all the knobs rose gold.
I think we're done in the bathroom.
I ordered the bifold doors for the bathroom. They should be here soon. I got a cute shower curtain from Amazon. This is it. It's like a bow. It looks like this. It's like a bohemian style mandala type shower curtain.
When we're done with the floor, we're gonna put the shower curtain up.
Yep, here's the tiles. So, I don't know if I'm going to epoxy the sink and tub to make them white because I know that stuff is toxic, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Okay, so I just cleaned the floors. What I was saying is, okay, the tub and the sink are yellowed because this camper is almost 20 years old, or over 20 years old, so, the plastic over time yellows. It's really not that bad, not as bad as some I've seen, but you can get epoxy to make them white again. So I've thought about doing that, but I don't know for sure because I've heard it's really toxic. So I don't know if it's worth the risk, especially I'm going to have the shower curtain over it anyway. But I think I might need to do the sink. I don't know yet though. I definitely want to change out this faucet to something a little nicer. And maybe eventually the sink as well, but I wanted to do this reno as budget friendly as possible in the beginning and then upgrade later. But I definitely want to change this out if nothing else. I do want to change the sink, but I'm not a plumber and my husband's not a plumber and I'm kind of scared to go into that right away. So we'll see. There's really nothing wrong with this sink, but it's just dated. But it is still really big for a camper bathroom sink. I feel like it's pretty deep compared to some I've seen. I'm not exactly sure where to put my camera to film this.
Right there.
Here goes the first tile. So I cleaned the floors. Now I'm peeling the paper, the wax paper off of the tile, and I'm going to put the first tile down. So it's not going to be exactly flush right there. I think I'm going to have to take...
No, the first door is locked.
I don't know where to start. I think I'm going to start in this corner over here. How about that?
I think I need to get in here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's so pretty. So in this group I'm in on Facebook, they say with any of the peel and stick stuff, just put something heavy on it like overnight. So I'm going to do that.
Can I do this one?
Yeah, sure. You need to put it right beside this one. Okay?
Right
Can you
here?
do that? Right beside it.
Wait, I got it.
It's got to be right. Okay, here.
Look at the beautiful floor. We're all done.
We're not done. We got to do the rest of the bathroom. So we've got 2 down. And I'm going to do the floor in the kitchen different. There's going to be a door right here. And this is going to be honeycomb tiles that I got for the kitchen. So it's going to be a different look in here. I know it's not going to flow, but it's separate rooms. So I really don't care. I'm sure a lot of people aren't going to like it, but
Yeah.
oh well.
Yeah. So Mom is doing a tile, and she's ripping off the paper so she can put it on the ground. So she's gonna put it right there beside the other one. Carefully. I'm gonna sit you down so you can watch Mom. Camera's watching you. I think it could go that way.
Right. I heard you poop.
I didn't actually poop. I did it with my mouth. I did it with my mouth.
So they're easy to peel up and readjust. They're very forgiving, so that's nice. I am going to have to cut some little pieces right here at the edge and try to fit it around this toilet. That's going to be a little more complicated. I'm not exactly sure what to do.
Hey, you can actually twist this up.
Alright, this is what I've got done so far. I'm trying to fit all the ones I can in first before having to make cuts. So, we're getting there.
cut it
scared. Scared to make a cut.
It's okay, Mommy. You can do it. You're a mom.
Thank you, baby. You're so sweet.
And I'm a kid, so I shouldn't be.
Woo! It says it's easy to cut, but not with a dull box cutter. I might have to wait until Wes gets here to get this one down. I wonder if he's got any better box cutters anyway. Let me see it. I'm gonna have to cut this much. And then the rest of the pieces in here will have to be cut to fit around the toilet and tub and around this vent. Okay, so that's what I've gotten done so far. The rest will have to be cut. I'm gonna wait till my husband gets home. He should be home in the next hour or so, and I'll finish this up. And once these are cut, this is really a pretty quick project. Yeah, so I thought it was gonna be a lot harder. I just need a sharper box cutter, and yeah, I think we will be done with the floors in here pretty soon. So I think I'm going to go ahead and change out the shower curtain while I wait on him. Alright guys, what do you think? The lighting's not great in this bathroom, but this is the shower curtain. It clashes with the floor just a little bit, but I'm not super concerned about that. I can change it later. Each room is going to have its own little personality. I know most people nowadays they just do all white everything in their campers and neutrals, so everything flows and is nice, and I love that too. But I also really love the boho vibe, and I love that I can do anything I want in here, unlike in my house where I'm a little more limited on what I feel comfortable doing. But in here I feel like I can be as creative as I want and use as much color as I want. So it's not going to be perfectly neutral and, you know, Instagram, Pinterest worthy, I guess, but it's still going to be cute, and it's going to be ours, and it's going to be my style. And I don't want the same thing everybody else has. I want mine to be different. So you may or may not like my style. That's fine. You don't have to, but I'm excited about it. Alright, I think I'm going to try to do the contact paper on the sink now. Alright, I've got a piece laid down, and now I just need to trim around the sink, but I need to get something to get these bubbles out all the way first. Y'all, I'm not good at contact paper, let me just put it that way, but it's halfway done.
Screwed it back down to make sure it was gonna.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Down. But are you doing anything in here?
No, not right now. I figured what's in there is fine for now.
So tighten it down some more. It'll go down on this side even more. Yeah.
I ordered the doors, so those should be coming. Hi guys, back in the camper today. This is like 2 days later. I didn't finish the floor because I need a better box cutter. So Wes found me a better box cutter. I'm hoping. So I'm going to try this to cut the stick-on tiles, and hopefully I'll get the bathroom floor finished up today. And Wes is supposed to bring me home some better screws, because the screws that I used to, or that were on the cabinet pulls, were stripped when we took them out, so we need to get some different screws. So he's supposed to bring some home, and I can put all the hardware back on in the girls' room and in the bathroom, and those rooms will be pretty much done. I did start working on the sink, like the contact paper on the sink, but I'm not loving it because I had to like cut a strip over here, and you can kind of see, you can definitely see the seam. So I don't know if I should just like get a wider piece of contact paper or just deal with it for now. It's not gonna look great, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm clearly not the best at this, but Still looks a little better than it did, but I need to finish that up too.
Mommy, Mom.
Alright guys, so I haven't got the door installed yet. There's one that goes here as well. Wes is going to have to put those up, but I just put it up so you guys could see what it looked like. Here's my shower curtain from Amazon. Here's the floor tiles. They're not perfect, but we did what we could in this small space. I painted the cabinets this magenta color that I had and white on the walls. I did. It's really humid here in Georgia, so I'm going to try to make this quick because my camera keeps fogging up. I did the marble contact paper here. I left the original medicine cabinet mirror. And then I just painted this cabinet magenta. I still have to put the hardware on the doors. I got to get some different screws. I'm sorry the lighting is horrible in here. I'm going to open the shower curtain so you can see a little better. Here's the shower. I need to get the paint off of the toilet, but there's the toilet. I got this for the toilet paper holder. I'm going to replace that one and put this one here. And I got a matching command hook towel holder for the hand towels. I'm going to put over here because it just had a cheap plastic one and it was ugly and I took it down. And then of course I still have to decorate in here, but that is everything for the bathroom for now. Let's see if the lighting is a little better over here now so you can see.
Maybe you want to see the stove.